Welcome to the coffee shop construction update at Canobie Park on closing day. So the coffee shop cafe looks pretty good. So this is the finished touch right here. So I'm here. We're gonna be open on opening day. So I'm glad I gave y'all all the construction updates all the summer. So this is the last construction update of the year. I'm gonna show you around the coffee shop. So see, I love the flowers. I love the sign. Pretty sign. Can't wait to go inside the coffee shop. I hear they're gonna do donuts, pastries, coffee, hot chocolate, smoothies, everything. So this is the patio. The first time in the patio. This is nice. They did a very good job at the coffee shop. Very good job. I love the tables. Tables is tree stumps. Wow. I'm hearing these are real tree stumps too. Leaves. It fits the theme of New Hampshire. It's nice. But they still doing work inside. So this is wow. You got an outside patio. So apple cider, fresh made donuts, hot chocolate, bottled water. Wow, pretty. Real gorgeous. Oh, this is pretty. And see, I like the fence. Fence is like trees. They did a nice job doing the coffee shop. Oh. Then they got like little picture signs too. Nice. And they did a very good job. Wow. Pretty good. Different signs, pictures. Wow. This is good. You did a good job with this coffee shop. Wow. Pretty good. Got the signs right there. Wow. That is pretty. Wow. So on opening day, I will have a tour of the new coffee shop. I'll show you the menu, show you everything on the coffee shop. So I hope y'all enjoy all my construction updates on the coffee shop. This year I provide y'all. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe. I enjoy making these construction updates all year for y'all. So if y'all new to the channel, subscribe. See you guys in the next adventure.